Welcome to another crochet tutorial with Cozy Rosie UK. Today I'm going to be showing you how to complete the puff stitch. So far what I've done is a chain of 12 and then I've worked from the second chain from the hook, placing 11 double crochets. The US term for that is single crochet, back down the chain. So to begin, once you've done your foundation chain of 11 double crochets, we're going to start just by chaining one for our turning chain. We're going to turn our work, and then right underneath this chain here we're going to place our first double crochet. We're then going to work our puff stitch into the second chain from along. So the puff stitch, you simply start by yarning over the hook and inserting the hook, yarn over and bring a loop up. We're going to do that 5 times. So that's number 1. I'm going to pop my finger on there to keep a bit of length on there so I can work easily. So for number 2, we yarn over, we insert the hook, yarn over to bring a loop up for number 2, number 3, the same, number 4, and then number 5, all into that same stitch. As you can see, we've got a large number of loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all these loops. I'm just going to pull down gently so it goes through, and then just tighten my hook back against that bunch of loops. And then we simply do a double crochet into the next stitch along to secure this puff stitch. So from the back it doesn't look like much. When you turn it and you look at the right side of the work, you can see you've got that lovely big bump. So let's do another puff stitch into this next stitch here. So yarn over, pop, you can see I'm tilting my hook a little bit away from my work. I'm going to insert the hook into the same, that next stitch, yarn over to bring a loop up, pop my finger on, yarn over, insert the hook, draw another loop up. So that's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lots of lovely loops. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all of them. So remember, just give a gentle tug down and it will just help your hook come through. Give it a bit of a tighten and then do a double crochet into that next stitch just to secure. So do another one into that next stitch there. So we begin by yarning over and inserting our hook underneath the next stitch. Yarn over, bring the loop up, yarn over into the next one, bring a loop up, yarn over, all into the same stitch. Number 4 and number 5. We're going to yarn over and pull through all these loops on our hook and then do a double crochet into that next stitch just to secure that puff. Let's have a look at the right side of our work here, and as you can see they're very, very pretty bubbles. So that is how you complete the puff stitch. So keep making them all the way along and keep practicing. It's not always easy to get through all the loops at the same time. Don't worry if you're not managing it straight away, just keep practicing, remembering to bring that loop up each time. Just give yourself a little bit more room to work. Yarn over, pull down slightly just to give yourself a clear path all the way through, and then work a double crochet into that next stitch. There we have lovely, lovely puff stitches.